like you are.
As my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, today's gonna be a productive but cozy video. So we have a couple things to do on our errand list. We have to do my nails, we have to wash the car because it's been a long time coming. We gotta go grab some food because what is errand day without grabbing some food? Gotta get something to eat, right? Can't just look pretty and you're hungry. And then we maybe go see the troll. Maybe we're gonna go see the troll, and then we are gonna grab some things at the supermarket to make our hot chocolate tonight. So let's go. Oh, let me show you guys my fit.
Ooh, this is nice, girl. This all this is you right here. Okay. They don't smell like roaches in here or nothing. This is so nice. And look at this.
That is how it's looking.
I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why?
So guys, we're at the nail salon. I'm gonna walk in. Right now it's just right there. See, they have like 10% off, but I'm gonna walk in. I don't know what color I should pick. Do you guys think I should pick a fall color or just pick something neutral? Let me know in the comment section which color you guys think I should pick. But we're gonna go in there, see the colors that they have, and then get our nails. Maybe I'll do my hands too. I don't know, maybe.
It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
Ooh, you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season.
Okay guys, so I just got my nails done and I just did my toenails. Didn't want to do my fingernails because I was like, it's gonna take too long and it always damaged my nails. So I think I'll do like press-ons if I'm going anywhere. That's what I'll do. But I got these a really nice color. Like I got a orange, I don't know what you call it. It's like an orange brown color. It's pretty. It's like a fall, you know. It's just saying fall, come here.
one and only reason. Baby, oh, summer turned into fall. See, it's funny cause
Alright guys, so I decided that I'm gonna go to the car wash, and then after that we figure out about food, because right now it's taking forever to find a restaurant. Not really forever, it's just that I want a particular food and I'm not getting it. So yeah.
are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love.
Okay guys, so we got two things off the list. So I got my nails done and the car is clean, so I'm so happy. Decided that I'm gonna go see the troll. Once I get back, I'm gonna go to Shaw's, so I'll just grab something to eat while I'm in Shaw's, and grab things for the coffee tonight. But let's go to the trail to see the troll. And like fun fact, Rhode Island is one of the states that have trolls, and it is the one that has the most trolls. In Rhode Island they have 5 trolls, and I want to see all 5 of them. So we're gonna go ahead and see the troll. It's 8 minutes away, so that's not too far. Like everywhere in Rhode Island is pretty close, so let's go ahead and see that troll.
I just wanna take you there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gonna stop us. Ain't no one gonna stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you.
So guys, we made it. I can't wait to see the troll. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever been here, or if you guys have ever seen a troll in real life. Let me know. If you guys want to see it, make sure you guys go ahead and give me a big like, also leave a comment down below, and also hype up the video, because there's a new feature on YouTube where you can hype up the creators video that you like. So yes, let's go ahead and go look at that troll. Guys, I am so excited. So let's go for a walk. The place looks so beautiful. Okay guys, so I spot the troll, and like this is the beginning of the walk, and the troll is all the way over there. Let me go closer. So that is the troll right there. So it should take us like 10 minutes to get over there. So I'm super excited. I am so excited. This is gonna be my first time seeing a troll. Rhode Island is so beautiful. Like, I feel like I'm in heaven. So guys, we made it to the top and we're here. So the troll is over that side, so we're gonna go ahead and see it. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh Lord. Okay guys, so I just finished looking at the troll. It's so beautiful. Like, you guys have to come see it for yourself, but it's so pretty. Took so many pictures, so many videos. If you guys aren't following me on TikTok or Instagram, make sure you guys go ahead and follow me. My tag or my, let me see, my handle is I'm just Georgia K, like everything else. So you guys can go ahead and follow me. I'm gonna walk back to the car. My phone is like 15%, so it's almost dying. So I'll catch you guys once I get back in the car. Okay guys, we made it back to the beginning, and listen, I am so tired. but the scenery was beautiful. Can't complain. Got so many compliments on my hair, my pants, like everything. Everybody was like, oh my god, you're so pretty. This little girl, she's like 7. She came up to me, she's like, oh, she's like, you're so pretty, I love your hair, can I take a picture with you? I was like, sure. So she went to her mom, she's like, mommy, can I take a picture with her? Her mom was like, no, that's intrusive. So I was like, it's okay, she can take a picture with me, we can use your phone to take the picture. So we took the picture and she's like, thank you so much. She's like, I'm gonna keep it forever. It was so funny. Well, yeah, it was so funny. And then this older lady, she's like, oh, I like your pants. I was like, oh, I got it from Ross. There's nothing too special about these pants. That's why I wore them, because I'm like, listen, I'm gonna be walking and sweating, so might as well wear something comfortable. So right now I'm at Shaw's, as you guys can see right there. I'm at Shaw's, so I'm gonna pick up this stuffy hot chocolate for later, because you know, I got a new hot chocolate, I need to try it out. But so we need to get some decor for the chocolates, hot chocolate. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, I just came from Shaw's, got everything that I wanted, and I got some sushi, also some salad. This kombucha, this is gonna be my first time trying this one. This is the ginger lemon. See how it tastes. Oh lord, did I shake it up? That's why. Hold on. This one tastes good. And I like things with ginger in it, so yeah. This one tastes good. I can drink this without ease. The other one, like sometimes I have to force myself to drink it, but this, I think because it have the ginger in it, and I like ginger. I like things with ginger in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and eat this, because listen, I'm hungry. And that is the sushi. My berry salad, so it comes with blueberry, some cranberry, blueberry, cranberry, chicken, some walnut, strawberry, cheese, and then some sauce with lettuce. So that is how that is looking. And then I'm gonna eat this Philadelphia roll. My eyes are like watering. Oh wow, the Rhode Island sign. Okay guys, so we're gonna make some hot chocolate, and we're gonna be using, let me show you guys, we're gonna be using this Moon Brew hot chocolate. It says it's supposed to help you to sleep. I got it on TikTok shop, but if it's on Amazon, and you know what, I can link TikTok products, so I'll link it and I'll let you guys know if it actually works. But so we're gonna go ahead and make it. Okay, so we got our cup, got some sprinkles, got some cinnamon, the cinnamon stick, some cinnamon sugar, some chocolate drizzle, some chocolate syrup, some whipped cream, some milk, oat milk, and then we have the Moon Brew.
I need you poolside, you've been on my mind. What if you want mine? We're doing bad anyway. I like your south side, I like you on top. You make my heart stop. You make being me less hard. Got to quit my job. When I take it, that's just what you gotta do. I'm addicted, that's why I keep calling you. Diamond boy, why you so shiny? Diamond boy, gon' get behind me, rodeo. Diamond boy, your light so blinding. Blinding. Baby, if it's only tell me, am I saying too much? And baby, if it's only tell me, am I saying too much? Baby, if it's only to tell me, am I doing too much? Baby, if it's only to tell me, if it's only.
Okay guys, let's do a taste test. This is how it looks right here. So we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Guys, I just finished my hot chocolate, so it's time to end this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys go ahead and like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love y'all, bye.